Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive right into how to use board filters in Monday.com. This powerful feature helps you to cut through the noise and focus on what really matters in your project management. The first step is to navigate to your board in Monday.com. The reason we do this is obviously because this is where our data resides. Make sure you're on the correct board to apply the right filters. Now that we're on our board, let's locate the Filter button. It's usually found at the top right of your board. Click on it. This helps us because it opens up a range of filtering options, allowing us to narrow down our view to specific items. Next up, it's time to set our filter criteria. You can filter by people, status, timeline, and more. Let's say we want to see tasks assigned to a specific team member. We simply select People from the drop-down, then choose the team member's name. This step is important because it allows us to focus on the workload of that specific team member, essential for balancing tasks and preventing burnouts. Then we click on Apply. Let me explain why this matters. Once you click Apply, Monday.com will instantly refresh your board to only show items that meet your filter criteria. This is what's happening behind the scenes. The software is sorting through all your data and only showing you what's relevant to your filter. And that's basically it. But remember, you can combine multiple filters for a more granular view. A great feature when you're handling complex projects with many moving parts. In conclusion, using board filters in Monday.com is a simple yet effective way to organize and prioritize your tasks. And with that, we wrap up today's tutorial. Until next time, keep exploring and making the most out of Monday.com for your project management needs.